Good day and welcome to Drip and Drive. So I'm catching up on the channel just to catch you up real quick. We now have a Tesla 2026 Model Y, so there'll be a lot of Tesla content. Trying to get back into car reviews as well. But anyway, stay tuned. Today we are doing an unboxing and I'm excited because I've had this material for probably going on a month now. I just got the Tesla Saturday and I haven't installed anything because I've been waiting to get the time to actually share the experience with you guys. Now, right here we have the Tap Lock wireless car charger by Spigen. Show that up there. There you go. We're gonna be installing that. That goes on a monitor. We have the auto display protector. So in the Tesla, there's literally a rear screen display for the rear passengers. Hopefully my kids get to enjoy that. All right. And we also have our front monitor screen protector. Now that screen gets a lot of fingerprints and we'll get into that as well. Check that out up there. There's for the people. Sorry about the glare. And this is again all by Spigen. My looking forward to installation is the Tesla Model Y air mattress. As you can see, we'll do a slow motion with this one. Yes, a car comes with a mattress. I'm gonna have to blur out this damn, hold on, give me a second. And I have a dog bed. I will probably drop where the company that makes this is in the video moving forward. And in this box right here, we have our all-weather mats and floor protection, back seat liner protection, all that stuff. All right, let's go to the Tesla. Passenger seat, bro. Come on, bro. You know that. Fam, you're delaying my video, fam. Fam, you're delaying my video, fam. Get in the passenger seat, bro. Jesus Christ. Anyway, boom. Guys, say hello to my little Havanese poodle, Padawata. He's a great boy. He's handsome. He's only 1 year old. And I love him so much. Check, yeah. What the hell? You're ready. Anyway, we have our dog bed. All right, this is very nice. It's all wrapped. We'll toss this crap in the back. All right, Puddles, you're getting your dog bed ready, my boy. We got a nice plush bed. How you like that, my boy? How you like that? Sit right up on that. How you like that? All right, I'm gonna take it to the other side. See how that goes. Ooh, look at that interior. Wow, look at that. Nice and plushy. All right, Puddle, switch side. Come over here, boy. I'm coming on that side. Right there, sit right there. All right, let's get this. So now I think, Puddles, we got a strap. Wait, don't hop in yet. Don't be too hasty, my boy. Do not. Hey. Wait a second. Let me get you situated. Can I put this on the inside? Ooh, you living luxurious, Puddles. You living luxurious, my boy. Hold on. All right, so let's get these clips out of here. Now I believe one of these goes onto your collar while the other one goes around the headrest. So let's get that around the headrest just to start. All right, boom, you're in there, Puddles. Hop on in, my boy. Wow, look at that, Puddles. Look at the people, wave high. That is nice. Now we have these two straps right here, like I said. I don't know if they think we're gonna have two dogs, but you can easily just hook the strap up into the collar like that. And you know, you keep it snug so that when you're driving, depending on how you are as a driver, I wouldn't put my boy through it, but depending on how you are as a driver, you wanna make sure they're nice and secure, all right? We're gonna shorten this leash a little bit, Puddles. Very good, wow. How you like it, boy? You like it? All right, that is part one of our unboxing. This is a very, very nice dog bed. And we'll, you know, put it in motion. Somebody's passing by with a nice Beamer double R. It's pretty tough. Nice, okay? Anyway, let's get to the next thing. We're gonna deal with the monitor. I don't have the packaging, but this did come out and I couldn't wait to bust it out to the packaging. And I love this because the exceptional bristle, it's very, very nice. Okay, so we're gonna go into screen clean mode. What you do is you go to displays, you go to screen clean mode, it gets nice and black. I don't know if you can really see the screen fingerprints, but just trust me, they're there. I wanna make sure the screen is fingerprint free before we add the screen protector. We honestly want to make sure this screen is like lint, fingerprint, everything free, okay? How does that look, Wada? Looks good, my boy? Yeah? All right, cool. Let's drop out the product in this unboxing. Toolkit tray, all that is in here. Puddles, if you don't mind, can I borrow some of your bed space? Try and keep it nice and organized to an extent. This box does not look like I need it anymore. Real glass, yada, 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 yada. Oh, we could watch our installation video. We will try to do it without it. Okay, I think everything is in the toolkit. All right. We got a lens screen cleaning wipe. We have a scraper of some sort and another bigger scraper and dust removal stickers and another cloth. So we're doing pretty good. All right. Oh, this is the adhesive back. Okay, I got it, y'all. Woo! Your boy got it. I got it, Puddles. Anyway, did any dust collect on the screen? No, we are good. All right, so now at the top, boom, let's get that screen on. Okay, we got it, Puddles. Woo! Sweating my butt off, boy. So we are actively sliding for about another 10 seconds. All right, and got that part off. Wait for 30 seconds, and now we're gonna pull off this nice press and slide label, and it says easily to remove from here. With covering, I feel like everything is good, so let's remove the covering. Nice and easy like that. All right, we're gonna slowly remove this film. See, now I see a couple pockets. I see 2 pockets. I don't like that. 3, 4 pockets. No. All right, so let's see if we could squeegee these bubbles out with the white squeegee. Make sure we try to get as many bubbles out as possible. And it says if you can't get the bubbles out with the white squeegee, there is a black squeegee. But I see the squeegee is doing a pretty good job. We're just gonna keep trying to force these bubbles to the edge. And we're watching them disappear. Yeah, this is Spigen. This is a great product. I'm not gonna lie, this is a great product because it's really doing exactly what it's supposed to. And if anybody has dealt with air bubbles, of course we all have, because we all have smartphones with screens, you know how annoying that process can be. Doing this. Okay, so we're gonna go straight to what is going to put this in clean mode. How do I do that? Let's go Bluetooth, display mode, clean mode. All right, so we're in clean mode. Get our Spigen. All right, let's clean the screen off. Thankfully, I got a lot of the screen cleaning items in the front. Puddle, you out here drooling. That means you're hot. I'm sorry, but the AC is definitely on. All right. Okay, boom. Here we go. Another product by Spigen. And this one looks like it might be simpler than the first one. Let's see what rules we have here. This is the top. Let's see. We're gonna hold it by the edges. Okay. That to come out yet. I want to put it right there. I don't see any problems. So we get that nice. Okay, fused. All right, and there we go. Very nice. Now that looks close to being good. We just gotta get the bubbles out. which I'm getting them. Where's my phone? All weather mat. Now these are like it's like a Velcro attachment with the mats. Perfect fit actually. It just has to get pushed in. Oh, I like that. I like that. How you like that, my boy? That's actually pretty good. All right, let's get to the other side. Nice finish to this floor mat. Yes, to the back. All right, puddle water. We're gonna get these seats out next. And they're also adhesive, but they're not as adhesive. Perfect. This in there. Okay. Got nicely, perfectly perforated, custom cut liners. This is perfect. Oh my God, this is like so perfect. Shout outs to this company, man. Like they did a real good job. Really, really good job. I'm very impressed with the materials. It's perfect. You can pull it right on out, dump it. This is beautiful. I'm gonna rock with this now. This is supposed to be in the back. It looks like the cuts are this way. I thought I had something for the up part, but I guess not. And that's it. This is perfectly cut. Again, this company I purchased from, I think it was Test Bros or Test Studio. I think it was Test Studio. They did a phenomenal job. Now there is another part under here, as you can see, with the mobile connectors. We'll get out the way and we right one. Okay. I think it's shallower in the back. Get that in there like that. Now this is the trunk liner, and it fits pretty smooth. I'm not mad at it. I'll close this down. Now these parts are all like wood covered in a cloth material. Now that's where the cheap part comes in, but I'm not mad at it. Really not mad at it. All right, now we can close the trunk. Got our liners down. Next up is the mat. Okay, let's get the front done. Now we have our Spigen wireless car charger. It mounts right up here on the corner of the screen. This is some mixed reviews. Again, I got this from the Spigen store via Amazon. So these are all Amazon rated reviews. All right, so Spigen tap lock wireless car charger. Let's drop the goods out the bag. All right, so I've seen a couple videos. I'm gonna take a crack at it without reading the instructions. But from what I understand, you loosen up this dial. It looks like it's counterclockwise. This feels like I'm loosening it. Anyway, I have an adhesive piece around. Okay. Okay, we're on there. All right. This car goes pretty fast, so I want to make sure this is as tight as possible. All right, we are in here now with our handy dandy phone. That doesn't feel bad. Doesn't feel bad at all. Let's get this thing situated. Unleash the tabs. Put that out there, that out there. Perfect. Let's get that out there. Nice. Comes with a very nice bag. I see a black box. All right. Not to be confused with the Aviation's black box, even though this thing is almost like a stealth bomber, so to speak. All right, so in here we got the air pump. Very nice. Let's close that. Pull this out. Leave that out. Take the box out. Right here. Let's see what's in the bag. Okay, this looks like the mattress, of course. What else would be in the bag, right? Okay. Yeah, let's stow it away right now. Stow away. We got straps or clips. What is this? Is this? Okay, looks like we just pull this right off. Okay, like a bungee cable. Let's fold down both seats. Can they fold down at the same time? Yes, they can. Very nice. All right. Now this is how we're gonna get the mattress in. Roll it right on out. This mattress is not for you, puddle water. I believe the Tesla has to be sitting at the top. So let's get that opened up. All right. All right. Now I do plan on going camping with my kids later. So we'll see how this turns out at the end of the video. Let's open this up first.
looks like it's supposed to be some. I'm gonna have to post the video for educational purposes.
Got it, guys. Punch this in like that. We want, close it up like that, right? Now we got a match. Yeah, so we're good. We're good. We're camping in the Tessie. This is very much valid. Puddles, you want to come out here? Come on, say bye to the people. Say bye to the people. You did it, my boy. We did it, my boy. We did it, my boy. Let's see. Let's see. We did it, my boy. We did it, my boy.